Brevis lattices. You know the definition of the space lattice. Space lattice is infinite array of points in three dimensions such that each and every point has identical surroundings. So here in this space lattice, points are arranged in the space in the three dimension such that each and every point has identical surroundings. If there is a no constraint, in this case constraint in arranging the point is all should have identical surroundings. If there is a no constraint and if you want to arrange the points, then there can be n number of ways to arrange the points in the space. But for the space lattice, there is a constraint in arranging infinite array of points in the three dimension, and that constraint is each and every point should have identical surroundings. If that is the case, then there was a scientist named Bravais who showed that mathematically there are only 14 indistinguishable ways of arranging points in space such that each arrangement conforms to the definition of space lattice. It means that we can arrange points in space by 14 ways only. And we can arrange by 14 ways because there is a constant, and constant is each and every point should have identical surroundings. So this is shown by Bravais mathematically. He showed that there are only 14 ways. So there are total 14 Bravais lattices, or you can say there are only 14 space lattices possible. They are called Bravais lattices because he showed first time that there are only 14 ways to arrange the atoms so that they conform to the definition of the space lattice. Now each space lattice has one unit cell. Each space lattice can have maximum one unit cell, and there are total 14 space lattices, so there are 14 unit cells. In a total there are 14 unit cells, 14 Bravais lattices and 14 unit cells. Each one is having one unit cell. Out of the 14 unit cells, 7 unit cells are primitive unit cells. Primitive unit cells are also called simple unit cell. There is only one type of primitive unit cell, that is simple unit cell. In simple unit cell, you know that there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners, which is called simple unit cell. And there are 7 non-primitive unit cells. 7 non-primitive unit cells. How- In, in this non-primitive unit cell, there are three types. The first one is called body center, and body center there are in all total 3 unit cells. Then the second type of non-primitive unit cell is face-centered unit cell, and in all there are total 2 face-centered unit cells out of these 7. And the last type of non-primitive unit cell is called base or end center, and there are total 2 end center unit cells. So in total there are 7. So out of 14 unit cells, 7 are primitive unit cells and 7 are non-primitive unit cells. In non-primitive unit cells, body center means there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 1 atom at the body center. In case of the face center, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the unit cell and 6 face center atoms. At center of each face, there is 1 atom. And in case of base or end center, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners, and on any two opposite faces, there are 2 face center atoms. And in all, there are total 7 such unit cells. These 14 Bravais lattices form 7 crystal systems. 7 crystal systems. I will insert diagram. In this, I have shown 7 crystal systems, and in next diagram, I will show their unit cells. Okay. Now see the table first. 7 crystal systems are given here. The first crystal system is called cubic. In the second column, shape of the unit cell is given, which is cube in case of cubic crystal systems. And the lattice parameters of this cubic crystal systems are A equals to B equals to C, and alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma, and that is equals to 9 degree. So in this crystal system, there includes 3 Bravais lattices. In this system, there are total 3 Bravais lattices, the diagram of which is shown over here. The first one is simple cubic, 8 atoms at the 8 corners. Then body center cubic, 8 atoms at the 8 corners plus one atom at the center of the unit cell. And then the third unit cell is face-centered cubic. 8 atoms at the 8 corners plus one atom at each face center. So three crystal systems, unit cells are given, three Bravais lattices for the cubic crystal system, and its unit cells are shown here. Then the second crystal system is tetragonal. Shape is square prism. And in this case, A equals to B, but C is different. But interfacial angles alpha, beta, gamma 90 degree. And in this crystal system, there are two Bravais lattices. You can see here the unit cell of simple tetragonal. Here A, this is also A, but this is C. And alpha, beta, gamma same. So there is a simple tetragonal and body centered tetragonal. Two crystal, two Bravais lattices in this crystal system, tetragonal. The third one is orthorhombic. And in orthorhombic, see that this is the shape, rectangular parallel pipe, and the lattice parameters are A is not equals to B, not equals to C, alpha, beta, gamma still 90 degree. And in this, there are all four Bravais lattices are present. This one is simple orthorhombic. This is A, this is B, this is C. All are different, but alpha, beta, gamma still 90 degree. Then second one is face and body centered orthorhombic. Third is end centered orthorhombic. As you can see, in case of the end centered orthorhombic, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners, and these are the two opposite faces. Each one is having one face center atom. And the third and the fourth one is face center orthorhombic. 8 corners plus 6 face center atoms. So in this there are 4 Bravais lattices. Then the fourth crystal system is rhombohedral. This looks like cube deformed along one diagonal. And in this case A, B and C are same, but alpha, beta and gamma are same, but they are not 90 degree. And there is only one Bravais lattice. As you can see here, this is simple orthorhombic. Its shape is like, the cube is deformed along one diagonal, along this diagonal. And there is only one Bravais lattice, which is simple rhombohedral. So one Bravais lattice in rhombohedral. Then the fifth crystal system is hexagonal. Is prism on a 60-degree parallelogram. That is the shape. In this case, A equals to B, but C is different. Alpha, beta, 90 degree, but gamma is 120 degree. And unit cell is shown over here. That is simple hexagonal. Okay, this can be also represented by this different color. Orange color is the unit cell in that case. Then the sixth crystal system is monoclinic. Right prism with parallelogram as a base. That is the shape. This is the shape. And in this case, A, B, C are different. That is, primitives are different. Interfacial angle alpha is equals to gamma 90 degree, but beta is other than 90 degree. And the diagram is shown over here. See, monoclinic. In this monoclinic, there are two Bravais lattices. One is simple monoclinic and the other one is end center monoclinic. So for hexagonal, there is one Bravais lattice. For monoclinic, there are two Bravais lattices, and then for triclinic, this is the shape, general parallel part, and the parameters are nothing equals to A, B, C. All are different. Alpha, beta, gamma, all are different, and they are not 90 degree. And this is the unit cell of triclinic system. So you may be asked to draw the unit cell. The unit cells are shown over here, and you can see here there is only one Bravais lattice for triclinic, and total there are 14 Bravais lattices, 7 crystal system, and 14 Bravais lattices.